Hello, and welcome to Wells Cave Track. The drive up here was great, 2 hours out from Melbourne CBD, and the drive up is quite enjoyable. You'll start off, in suburbs, you'll move towards the small town of Healesville, and then you'll go through this windy 30-kilometer section of nice mountain road. Get a bit foggy, the huge ferns and huge trees that really give it the rainforest feel. And once you sort of make it above that, you'll reach the nice mountain paths that leads you to Wells Cave Track. Today we'll be doing Sugarloaf Peak, grade 5, all the words there, but let's give it a go. Backpacks not recommended, but we'll see how we do. The aim of today is going to be following these orange markers. One here, one there. I'm on Canyon Track, not Wells Cave Track, which is somewhere in the wilderness over there. So now I've found myself a clearing. Wells Cave Track is somewhere down there. I'm going to keep going horizontally. Okay, a 30-minute detour later, and we're finally on the track, and we're ready to start heading upwards. Climbing with a backpack does not make it easier. 15-kilo backpack, adjusting my center of mass off the mountain towards where gravity wants me to go. It's back down to my car. 3 points of contact at all times. I think I heard that from someone once. But this is really, really engaging. Rock scrambling or hiking or climbing, some hybrid of the three. And camping. That's what I got my back after all. Now that I'm off screen, I've still got to come collect you guys, so be right back. No, I think sitting here, taking a break, eating, refreshing. Well, that's what I'm doing right now on the hike, but it's also why I went on the hike. I've never eaten a 6-inch sub before. Or I've never eaten just one 6-inch sub. I've always eaten two together in the form of a football. So maybe I'll challenge myself today. Eat just half now and half at the top. And so we've reached the top of Wells Cave Track, and look at these 360 beautiful views. We've also got to say goodbye to our first broken item of the trip, our microphone recorder. Rest in peace. Just kidding, don't litter. Inside you there are two wolves. One is a 6-inch malt rye chicken schnitzel sandwich, and the other is a 6-inch malt rye chicken schnitzel Subway sandwich. Stage 2 of the hike, we're going to go along the razor's edge. Then we'll reach our campsite for the day. Excellent little guy. It gets dark pretty quick in Europe, so this would be a pretty good place to sleep without a tent, actually. On the mountainside, tree coverage, and of course a nice roof. Camera setup ruined, hand broken. So that's where I fell. not off there. I fell here and my tripod set up. Second death of the video. Shit. Alright, clean myself up with a bit of water. But yeah, our camera setup is gone. It's at this point I'm really starting to get tired, so let's get into a montage. Welcome to the farmyard. Fully empty. So I've got first dibs on whatever real estate I want. Let's get set up. $30 tent. First time camping. 15 minutes set up. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So we're officially set up in the tent now. We've got the sleeping bag and the inflatable air mattress. And the plan is to have a nap. And when we're back, we'll be getting into the shin ramen. Starting to get cold now, but that means it's time for shin ramen. Seasoning packet in. I think that's the ramen. Now to pimp my ramen, we're going to add 2 sausages. Give that a good mix around with chopsticks, because that's the most spaced efficient tool there is. Let's get some of that spring onion, sesame seed goodness in there. Pre-packaged, of course. I'm going to get some logama in there to make this a Korean Chinese fusion dish. And with that, our ramen is finished. Let's dig in. Oh, nice. Now this is camping. It is scary being the only one on the mountain. Do animals and things like clearings? Well, hopefully not. But the sky is to die for. This is just a photo I took on my phone, but it's even more beautiful when you're out there, so make sure to look up. I stand in the middle of the clearing and enjoy the sky a bit longer. But after that, it's time to face the cold. It's going to be a cold night, above 0, so I think the sleeping bag should cover it. I think I'm going to get to bed now. It is a snazzy, cool 6 degrees. Anyway, I'll catch yous tomorrow. All pretty good sleep. Not too cold. Air mattress did me really well. Biggest challenge was probably the hill, and the tent's a little small. I can't quite extend the legs unless I go diagonally. But then I'm sleeping, you know, not with the hill, so I'm sort of rolling down. Got to get up and let's get cleaned up. Guys, my pack has gotten a bit bigger, lighter, but more volume because it's kind of poor packing. It's an easier grade 4 hike down today. If we're quiet for a second, just listen to the birds. the pack, I've ditched the hoodie, but we're back at the car park. Picked up the pack on the way out and back to Melbourne. And that's the end of this video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys at the next camping spot.